Okay. Hi, everybody. It's forgot something.
I'm forgetting something.
Well, I brought the wife out today, just on a casual date. Oh, by the way, I still go out on dates with my wife all the time. I would treat it like we just met every single time. J'ai faim. I mean, it's good, but the most standardized one is j'ai faim. All right. Elle a dit que elle a faim. Simply means she's hungry. Yes. Now this is a restaurant. Sorry. That is this whole boat you see here, this ship or yacht is a restaurant. It's called the Mushulu right there. Famous for its name brand. That's where we go into.
Are you taking me?
Sorry?
Are you taking me?
Yes.
Because I just made some ugly face.
Really? Oh, really? No, you were not on it.
Oh, okay. I almost fell.
Yeah.
Ugly face.
Oh, really?
What is this?
What happened? Oh, let me get you off.
Chest.
What happened to your chest? Oh, man.
The blouse.
Hey, folks. My wife is so reserved, and I'm telling you, now she got a problem with her blouse.
You have everything.
Yeah, you hide everything. I don't think anything wrong with your blouse. You know, you all right. But at least once in a while, I gotta see something too. Yeah, so we are about to enter this luxurious restaurant. Like I said, it's called the Mushulu. Let me show it to you here. 1 second, don't go without me, sweetie. Just want to let the entire ship be revealed. It's a restaurant specifically built on the river for that purpose. There we go. And I'm delaying my date. Let me take a few snap of photo for you as well while you stand over there. Give me one of those Walker smiles. There you go. That's Galactifus Victor Walker's baby right there. Yeah, I love this woman to death. Well, to life, because I don't want to die in it. I mean, you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay. We're going in now. I love you.
I love you.
After 21 years, still in love. Not superficially, but genuinely.
Forever love.
Forever, yeah. I don't want to do anything with your wife. You don't want to get dull and you're living together, you know, the kids and everybody, but no love. You're not in love. You're just there existing.
Teaching.
Always teaching. No, seriously, we're going to let people know that even though you've been married for 20 years, you can still love your wife like you loved her the first day you met her, right?
Yes.
But don't seriously, honestly, one of these days you and I are going to have this seminar to teach people, because we are an example. All right, we're suspending this recording now for now.
Thank you.
She said thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Hey. Yes.
This is cute.
What is